Hey guys, Gretchen's Vegan Bakery here with another quick video for Halloween sprinkles. I'm going to show you how to make your own assorted sprinkles for a fraction of the cost of buying them, and this way you can also be sure that they're vegan. Complete with monster Google eyes, ghosts, bones, and pumpkins, and of course the assorted sprinkles, and this time they are dressed up for trick-or-treat. What fun this project is, so be sure to include your kids or your best friend like I did. Just don't let her drink too much wine or you will get some very questionable decorations. I am not really sure what she was going for here, but hey, she had fun and that's all that mattered. Those witch hats were, and those pumpkins were a bit misshapen, but just tell everyone they're GMO pumpkins. So anyway, this is the very same recipe I showed you a couple months ago for assorted sprinkles. So you can of course make any colors that you want, and it is only 3 ingredients. And all you need is some vegan powdered sugar, a few tablespoons of aquafaba, a pinch of salt, and some vanilla extract. Okay, that's 4 ingredients. Just get it all whipped up to a pipeable consistency and then you could just mix your colors. I do link to everything in the blog post with a note about food color too, since this is going to be the most asked question in regards to vegan options. You will also have to learn how to make some parchment paper cones to pipe the icing, and this can be a bit tricky, so I do have a full tutorial for how to do that, and that's also linked below. Then just put on some music and get to piping out those lines. This is baking therapy at its finest, you guys. It really is very zen once you get into a groove about it. You sort of forget anything that might be weighing in on your mind as you fade into sprinkle land. Definitely try your hand at the ghosts and even some bats like my friend did. The only thing she said about this whole process was that in her mind she had the perfect vision of what she wanted her bats to look like, but once she got to piping them, well, let's just say it was harder than she thought it would be. So we reverted to some easier designs like pumpkins and bones and ghosts and monster eyes. So you've got to let everything dry out at room temperature overnight, and then once they are completely dry, you will roll up the parchment paper and all those lines will break up into smaller, sprinkly pieces. That's how easy it is. I love this idea not only for cake decorating, but what a great gift idea too. Yes, we've already got our sights on Christmas sprinkles to give out as gifts. And I know that you're going to ask me if these sprinkles can be used baked into a cake recipe for a funfetti cake, and yes, they can. Not to mention those Google eyes can be used for your Halloween cake decorating, and so much more. Alright, you guys, I hope you will go have as much fun as we did, so grab the recipe at GretchensVeganBakery.com, and until next time, happy baking. Bye for now.